But I'll take it back also to the human connection. And I think we've said this a few times through the conversation, but having technology is no good as just technology. I think it needs to come back to the meaning of events and that creating human connection and enhancing that human connection. And that's really what we're striving for as we go forward. Make these amazing experiences for people, but do it better, safer, faster, cheaper, whatever the back end objectives are. But the top objective is to create these experiences that people enjoy, engage, are safer, and they want to be a part of as human beings. So yeah, for us, that's really what it's about.
I love that. Well, if you could wave a magic wand of some sort and change maybe one thing about how we plan events today, what could it be?
Yes, a great question. And it would be time. I think post-COVID, especially what I've noticed for 12 months, I haven't been on the ground delivering events, but I'm still in the industry every day and we see the time pressures. We're part of the time pressures as well. I think the time pressures in the industry at the moment are getting absolutely crazy around the world. The lead times are so much shorter. The expectations of what can be done in a certain amount of time are just mind-blowing. Some weeks we sort of look at what people are being asked to do and how can you do that safely or how can you do that efficiently. And I don't think there's necessarily an understanding of the time, money, quality triangle, that if you take one piece of the triangle away, then you've got to replace one of the other two. So you can have time, quality, or you can have two of the three, but you can't always have all three, time, quality, and budget.